Hello, Jai Hind everyone. So today we are going to start, and I should say today we are going to continue the previous series where we are solving the previous year question papers. Okay, so we have taken the most recent paper ND1 2026 and started the calculus part. And if I'm not wrong, we have done question like we started from 71 until 80. So now we will continue from question 81. For the next two item that follows e to the power y to the power x minus y equal to 0, where y is a function of x whose domain is 0 to 10. We just have to find out dy by dx. Okay. So first of all, what is the function? Function is e to the power y and y to the power x. Can we combinedly write it e to the power y into x minus y equal to 0? So e to the power x into y equals to y. One way is simply you can do the derivative of left hand side and right hand side. But a more easy way will be when we take log in both of the side. So just take log in both of the side. This will become log e to the power x y equal to log y. And as you know, this power will come in front. This will become xy into log e. Log e 1 equal to log y. Now we can do derivative in both of the side. So x into y, derivative of first function, second function as it is, plus first function as it is, derivative of second function y dash equal to log y between 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay, let me write it y dash only because we used this sign earlier as well, y dash. So this is our y dash. Now take this in left hand side, x y dash minus 1 by y dash equal to minus y. Take y dash common. This will become x y minus 1 divided by y equal to minus y. Now take whole in the right hand side. This will become y dash equal to minus y square divided by xy minus 1. This can be written like y square divided by 1 minus xy. So y dash, or we can say the value of derivative of y is y square divided by 1 minus xy. So y square divided by 1 minus x into y. So as per as the options, option number C is our right answer. Now question 82, this say that what is dy by dx equals to, given that y equal to y dash when x equal to 1. A direct method can be, we can directly put y equal to y dash here. When we put directly y equal to y dash here, this will become y dash square because y equal to y dash and x is equal to 1 divided by 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to y dash. Now if you see in the options, it is not matching with any of the option, neither A, B, C, D. But if you carefully see these options, it is also including e to the power y dash. So this can be taken from our main question. See, our main expression was e to the power y into x minus y equal to 0. Now, from here, we can also calculate the value of y dash. How? Put y equal to y dash and put x equal to 1. So, when you put x equal to 1, this will become y e to the power y dash minus y is equal to y dash. Now, from this, we can conclude that y dash is equal to e to the power y dash. So, wherever you can see, this is y dash and into my y dash. So, second y dash is nothing but equal to e to the power y dash divided by 1 minus y dash equal to e to the power y dash. Because y dash, or I can say y0 is equal to e to the power y0 as per as the given condition. So, uh, just to match, like to match our answer with the options, what I did, I put y dash equal to e to the power y, and also in denominator I put y dash or y0 equal to e to the power y0. Now look at the option. Now if you see option D, y0 e to the power y0 divided by 1 minus e to the power y0. So option D is our correct answer for question number 82. Now moving to question number 83. Here it is. So basically integration. Integration 0 to pi by 2 a sin x plus b cos x, a plus b sin x plus cos x dx equal to k. One way will be you will be going to do the integration by recalling any of the formulas. But the basic way, if you recall the properties of integration, then the one of the property was just remember 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a integration f of a minus x. So we are going to use the same property here. 0 to pi by 2. So see, a sine pi by 2 minus x. A minus x, see a minus x. So this is pi by 2 minus x. So sine pi by 2 minus x will be cos x. Yes. So a cos x plus similarly cos will be converted into sine. Why? Because here we are going to write cos a minus x. A is pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus x. Now cos pi by 2 minus x is our sine x. As of now, just consider this is our equation 1. Now this is our, now we are going to create another equation. In denominator, this will be like cos x plus sin x. Now just multiply this a plus b with cos x plus sin x. You will get in numerator will remain same a cos x plus b sin x. In denominator, a cos x plus a sin x b cos x plus b sin x. B cos x plus b sin x. See, the denominator of this equation 1 is also exactly similar to this because the denominator is same in both this equation 1 and equation 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to add equation 1 and equation 2. If it is k, let's assume obviously this is also equal to k. So 2k equal to this plus this. So 0 to pi by 2 a sin x plus b cos x, and in denominator this whole term plus the another one 0 to pi by 2, and this is a cos x plus b sin x, and in denominator this whole. I'm not going to write it again. So if you combine this and this, a sin x, a cos x, a sin x, a cos x, b cos x, b sin x, b cos x, b sin x. When you add these two, you will see that the numerator is exactly equal to denominator. That is why they will cancel out each other. It will become 1 dx. And the integration of 1 will be x. But don't forget to put the limit, that is 0 to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2. Our not our answer, but the answer of this integration will come pi by 2. Not forget that this is the value of 2k. We have to find out the value of k. So the value of k will be pi by 4. Simply take this 2 in right hand side. So the value of k is pi by 4, option A. Now our question 84. Question 84. What is the value of integration 0 to pi by 2 a cos x plus b sin x divided by sin x plus cos x? Okay. If you see, this expression is somewhat similar to our equation 2, but just a difference of a plus b. What if we, in the denominator, we multiply the denominator with a plus b as well as the same a plus b we can write in numerator, because our whole question is same. A plus b will cancel out this a plus b. But why we did this action? So that this whole can become exactly equal to equation 2. And this is what? This was our k. So this whole integration of 0 to pi by 2 a cos x plus b sin x divided by sin x plus cos x into a plus b. This whole is nothing but k. K into this one. A plus b. K into a plus b. Option C. will be our correct answer. Again, see what we just did right now. We have multiplied the numerator and denominator with a plus b. And when you carefully observe this, let me change the color, this much. This is nothing but the value of k. So k into a plus b. That is our option C. Let's move ahead to our question 85. Question 85. S and T be the sets where this function decreases and increases respectively. So S is the set where this function decreases because it is given that respectively they are increasing or decreasing respectively. And T will be the set where this function will be increasing. This is S is decreasing. In T, our function will be increasing. So we have to find out the value of T and value of S. T is when this function will be increasing. So what is the condition for a function to be increasing? When our dy by dx, it means derivative of the function is greater than 0, then our function will be increasing in that interval. So dy by dx, simply do the, let's assume this is our y, do the derivative of this. This will become 3x square divided by 3 minus 2 into 5x divided by 2 plus 6 and 7's derivative is 0. So I'm directly writing the derivative of this. That will be 3x square minus 5x. It will not be 3 will be cancelled out. This is x square only. Let me correct it. It is x square minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. So basically now this becomes a very basic question of inequality. When you factorize it, this will be x minus 2, x minus 3 greater than 0. This is our number line, minus infinity, infinity, nothing but a Weyerhaeuser method we are trying to implement here. 2, 3, positive, negative, positive, so greater than 0. This whole interval, it means x will be lesser than 2 and will be greater than 3. So I can combinely write that x belongs to minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity. The another way to write the same is x is less than 2 and I can say union x greater than 3. All the values greater than 3 and less than 2. So if you see in the options, it is option number B. X is less than 2 union x is greater than 3. If you see this question, maybe you get confused because this question haven't specified that either S and T are strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. They just mentioned decreasing. So as per as decreasing graph, we can also take equals to. We can also take it equal, greater, equal to 0. But as per as the UPSC answer key, in that answer key, 85 question, like the answer is option B. So this, like, as per as my view, there's a quite, I guess, a slightly I would not say error, but yeah, it should be more clear, like either it is strictly increasing or increasing. Because as per as decreasing graph, we could have also taken equals to sign, but no issue. Moving to question number 86, the similar one. What is S? S is where this function will be decreasing. It will be negative 2 to 3. 2 to 3, option C. Question 87. Let K be the area between the curve y equal to sine x and x-axis in the interval 0 to pi by 4. Okay. K is the area between the curve sine x and x-axis. So, if I draw it here, this is the curve of sine x. This will go till infinity, and in the reverse side, in this side as well, this will go till minus infinity. So from 0 to pi by 4, let's imagine here it is pi by 4 and here it is pi by 2. So from 0 to pi by 4, from 0 to pi by 4. This much area between sine x and the x-axis curve is k. This much area is k. So the question 87 says, what is the area between the curve y equal to sine x and the x-axis in this interval from pi by 4 to pi by 4 to pi by 2. See, one way you can directly integrate it and put the limits. But before that, see the option. Options are in the form of k. Options are in the form of k. So, practically, if you think the area of this, let me shade it with a different color. We have to find out this area. This much from pi by 4 to pi by 2. You can clearly see that this area will be. First, take this whole area from 0 to pi by 2. This whole area minus this area 0 to pi by 4. If you take this, the area from 0 to pi by 2 and subtract the area from 0 to pi by 4, exactly what you want you will get. Now, if you integrate sin x from 0 to pi by 2, you will get 1, or you can also remember that it is the property of sine and cos that in this from 0 to pi by 2, their area is 1. Even in this, the area will be 1, here will be 1, 1. So you can also remember, or the other way, if you do not able to recall it, you can also do one thing, 0 to pi by 2 sin x. If you integrate it, you will get 1. So this whole area is 1 minus this area from 0 to pi by 4, and that is given in the question, that is k. So 1 minus k. Option B. Question 88, what is the area between the curve y equal to cos x? Let's see. This is the curve of cos x. From 0 to, what is the area between the curve y equal to cos x and the x-axis in this interval, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Is the area. See, even the question 88 is also in the form of K. So first, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, again, this area from 0 to pi by 2 is 1. But we are not aware about the area from 0 to pi by 4. So first, what we have to do, integrate cos x from 0 to pi by 4. Then only we can find the area of cos x with x-axis from 0 to pi by 4. So this will be the integration of cos x is sin x 0 to pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 will be 1 by root 2 and sin 0 is 0. So this area is 1 by root 2. But the answer is given in the form of k. We have to take it. We have to introduce. Pi by 4. Okay, pi by 2. K is the K be the area between y equal to sin x and x-axis from 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so we have the value of 0 to pi by 4 sin x and dx. 0 to, what will be the value of 0 to pi by 4 cos x? There used to be one property of